Hi, today I'm doing my Christmas challenges from Plan to Save Designs, or Plan to Save on YouTube. And I have the Santa and Co. Merry Christmas, and it's Save 40, and then this one's the Christmas lights with the kitty cat. Hope your Christmas is Maui and bright, color and save. And What's Cracking, Save 40, and Save, Roll and Save, Don't Stop Believing, and then Love Christmas, color and save, and this one, Save 40. And I have $40, 20 in ones, and a $20 bill, and I'm gonna just roll the die and see where the ones are going, and then at the end I'll do the 20 and roll the die, and then whichever one comes up is the one getting it. So first is 2, 2 again, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 1, 4, 3, 3, 5, 6, 2, 5, 2, 1, 1, 5, 3, and the last one is the 20, and it's going to 3. So let's see. So 1 is the Santa Co. and Merry Christmas, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do this 5. And these were a freebie from Plan to Save Designs on Ko-fi. I'll try to put the link in the description if you guys want to save. And I'm using these to save for Christmas, and then these will be going into my other Christmas binder. And then I hope your Christmas is Maui and bright, and these are all going to be $1 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 3, four, and 5. And then this is the one that got the 20. Let's see if I can do my math. Let's see. 21, 2, 3. So calculator time. 23. We'll do a blue. So 23, take away 8. Take away 7. And we have 8 left. So we'll do another 8. Oh, we don't have another. We'll do a 5 and a 3. Yeah. I should have done the 6, but I'll do the 5 and the 3 this time. Oh. That's pretty good, 4 of them. And then we're done with that. And then this one got 2. And it's the Don't Stop Believin'. And we'll just, where's my pen? We'll just write in 2. And then the reindeer. Is I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll write 4 here. We'll do a red nose and scarf. I don't think I have a brown. I guess we're doing a pink one. This is all dried up. Okay. That's dried up. So this one got 3 or 4. Yeah, 4. And then the last one got $1. And we'll do this one. Okay. So I'll do this again after I finish some of the mini saving challenges. Unless I have extra money. But that's a good start for these. That's all I have for today. I'll see you guys for Thursday Tinies. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.